Sushi Kitchen, Japanese restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's Japanese restaurant. There are various delicious Japanese cuisines. Let's check it out. Welcome. Come this way, please. This is the menu. Let's check out what the guests would like to eat. Sushi. Sushi is a traditional Japanese cuisine. It is delicious and nice-looking, with different combinations of rice vinegar and a variety of ingredients. Make a sushi roll. Take out a nori sheet. Put the cucumber on it. Crab stick. Tamagoyaki. Wow, the sushi roll is so delicious! Make hand-pressed sushi. Salmon. Let's make sushi rice balls. Let's press the sushi rice with hands. Wow, it looks so invited! The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Yeah! The sushi is ready! Awesome! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Please enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Set the table with pretty decorations and the guests will be happier. Welcome. Come this way, please. Udon noodles. Udon noodles are special Japanese noodles that are soft, nutritious, delicious, and easy to digest. Therefore, udon noodles serve as healthy food for kids. Boil noodles. The udon noodles look thick, yet taste soft. Make broth. Let's get the dried kelp ready first. Let's boil the dried bonito flakes. We can make delicious broth by using dried kelp and dried bonito flakes. Add the salt. Add the soy sauce. Add mirin. Mirin is a Japanese cooking wine. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Shiitake. Shakuwa. Wow! This bowl of udon noodles must be delicious! Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Welcome. Come this way, please. Wagashi. Wagashi is a kind of Japanese dessert that looks pretty in a variety of styles. Let's start making wagashi. First, make it into little thin strips. And then add 4 spoonfuls of sweet bean paste. Finally, put the thin strips on the bean paste ball. looks so pretty! Let's make another wagashi. This one will look prettier. Let's make wrappers first. Cut the wrapper into a square one. Add a spoonful of sweet bean paste. And then wrap the bean paste ball inside. Wow, this one looks pretty as well. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Wow, the pretty wagashi is ready! Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Let's cook for another guest! Taiyaki. Taiyaki is a Japanese dessert. It is shaped like a small chubby fish and tastes sweet and delicious. Make the batter. Crack 3 eggs. Add the sugar. Add the honey. Add the flour and sift it. Bake taiyaki. Add half of the batter first. Cheese filling. Purple yam filling. Purple yam filling. And then add the rest of the batter to cover the filling. Close the baking tray and bake it. Wow! I love the sweet smell of taiyaki. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. The taiyaki is ready! Awesome! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy your meal. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.